everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to conference call on WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to do conference call on WhatsApp, all you need to do is simply tap open your WhatsApp app. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on a person whom you want to call. So simply tap on the call button on the person's chat box. So once you call that person and it starts to ring, or he receives or she receives your call, you can find a add person icon on the right hand side of the corner. So simply tap on it and then tap on the person you want to add in your conference call and hit the add to call option. So once you do so, you can find that two people have been now added in your group call, which is now your conference call with them. So you can even add more people in your call on WhatsApp to continue with the conference call. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.